name's Jeff from QualityDoor.com, providing you with the commercial door hardware you need when you need it to get the job done. Today we got another great video for you on how to. We have a Sargent 10G04. They look the same, but they're different. We stock them in a large format Sargent removable core, interchangeable, and a small format interchangeable core. And today we want to take you through how to install an interchangeable core using the control key. So here we go, how to install a small format interchangeable core and a 10-line lock. We have our change key, our control key, the temporary plug we're going to pull out, put on the side. The control key, we flip it so the flap on the side of the cylinder is down. Simply place it in, put your finger there, turn, and pull out. The lock that we're showing you here is a classroom function lock. So it's a 10G37. The key locks and unlocks the lever. Simply put in your change key, and now the lock works. Key locks and unlocks the cylinder. These control keys, I'd suggest ordering 5 per lock. When you need them, you're going to have them. You have turnover. You need to go to the lock and put in the new cylinder. So I would suggest ordering 5 control keys per lock. There it is, SFIC installation. So there it is, how to install a simple installation of installing a small format or a large format interchangeable core. The large format, we have the 10G04, and the small format, we have the 10G37. You could subscribe, click below. We're going to be making a lot of these videos, how-tos, new products that are coming out, and soon we're going to be doing installations of concealed vertical rods and other difficult installations of hardware, commercial door hardware in our shop. So we're going to have that series coming soon. So click below to subscribe. It's QualityDoor.com, supplying you with the commercial door hardware you need when you need it. And we'll catch you on the next video.